Alright guys, it's Mike here with Pedal Chili. Today we're going to talk about removing and replacing your stem, your headset, okay? It's a pretty straightforward project. There's a few things you want to know before you tackle this project though. Once you remove your headset, your forks are going to drop out of the bottom of your bike. So, what you want to do before you start anything is remove your handlebars, and you want to tie your forks to your frame so they don't fall out on you when you replace your stem, your headset up here, okay? I'll post some pictures of that so you'll see what I'm talking about exactly. Okay, so after you removed your bars and tied your forks up, you can then start to remove and replace your headset. Alright, in this job we'll need a 4mm Allen wrench, a Phillips head, and a torque wrench with a 4mm Allen key, okay? It's a pretty easy job actually. And to start this job, what you want to do is, there's a 4mm Allen bolt on this side of your stem, and on this side I have a Phillips head, okay? The first thing you want to do is loosen these up. Remember, to the left to loosen. Don't want to take them out, just get them loose. Both sides. Alright, once that's done, you then want to loosen your top nut. It's also a 4mm Allen key, and I'll take a picture of that for you as well. Okay, so spin your Allen key to the left to loosen your top nut. And you want to take this all the way off, okay? See how my forks wanted to fall there? That's why you got them tied on, okay? So off comes your faceplate or your top cap, a little spacer there, and your bolt. Set that to the side, and your stem here will slide straight off. This is a good opportunity if there's any grit or grime or dirt in there or on your post to clean all that off. These are spacers. This is how you adjust the height of your handlebars. Okay. You'll see down inside of here there's a little star nut that your top cap threads into, and I'll take a picture of that so you can see it nice and close, okay? So once you've got that off, once you've got it cleaned up, and you have the new headset you want to put on, you simply look to make sure you have it facing the correct way or not upside down, you know what I'm saying? Once you figure that out, you'll loosen both your bolts on either side and slide it back down in place. Then you'll replace your top cap, and you'll see my forks have dropped just a little, so I'm going to have to push them up. Gotta watch it. See, my bearings have popped out there too. Push everything back down in its place. Push back nice and snug, like it should be. And then replace your top bolt here. Alright, once you've got it snugged up, you want to take a minute to straighten your forks and your headset up so they're both pointing right down the front of your tire. Make sure everything's straight, okay? I'm going to have to fine tune this a bit. Then go ahead and tighten down your top bolt here. There's a Newton meter setting on this. This one is 5.5 Newton meters, 5.5. Already have my torque wrench set up to do that. You always want to tighten. You'll loosen these first, the two side bolts, and tighten them last, okay? So first tighten this, then tighten these. Okay, that's the 5.5 there. Now we'll snug up our two side bolts, but do it equally and evenly, okay? So whatever you run this one in, however much you tighten it, come over here and tighten this one the equal amount. You want to tighten equally and evenly, okay? You don't want to run one all the way in and then start the other. Just do them a little bit at a time, okay? These are also for a 5.5 Newton meter setting. And once you have them snugged up pretty good, you can then turn to your torque wrench. Like I said, this one's already set up for 5.5. Switch to a Phillips head on this side. And you see the neck snap there. You know it's done. Alright guys, that's how to replace your headset if you need to do that. It's a pretty common upgrade and pretty easy to do. Just make sure you tie those forks off so they don't drop out on the floor on you, okay? Alright, thanks for watching. Check us out for more videos.